And welcome, viewers, to our meteorology segment. Congratulations on realizing that the Smash News Network least busted name in news exists. Let's take a look at some data and some forecasts and some observations. Yeah. I mean, data. You could say data is observation. Anyway, these are the jet streams of the Western world. Like sands through the hourglass of time, these are our jet streams. And look at the bend over the Atlantic Ocean. Yowzers, blowing backwards here over part of the Atlantic Ocean. An extreme jet stream snake happening there. Yowzers. Also a huge anticyclone here in the North Pacific south of Alaska. You can see that upper level anticyclone there rotating clockwise like it meant it. A little more incoherent jet stream in the southern hemisphere. Let's take a look at the surface winds. These are the surface winds of the Western world. Some straight line winds here blowing across the Atlantic. Also a ridge of calm south of the Azores. Anyway, here are the east side's surface winds. Cyclonic system down here, rotating clockwise. That's a low pressure. Anyway, here are the 250 hectopascal winds. Quite an incoherent jet stream in the southern hemisphere summer. Quite a powerful jet stream here over Southeast Asia and the West Pacific. And a huge divergence. Again, you can see this anticyclone with its clockwise rotation indicating high pressure and likely clear skies. Next, temperature anomaly. We're expecting some nearly 20 degrees Celsius above normal weather here in the coming 72 hours. This is your 72-hour GFS temperature anomaly forecast in Celsius degrees. Next, your precipitation and pressure forecast, and we're expecting one heck of an ice storm. Significant ice storm here, stretching across a huge portion of the country. Niagara Falls is expecting to be iced. Wow, look at all that pink. So we're expecting significant ice accumulation once again. And of course, this happens when you have very cold ground met by warm air. So you get rain instead of snow, and it instantly freezes to those cold frozen surfaces. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast. Be prepared. Don't go driving in ice. So next we're going to show you the forecast here, sort of an animated forecast. This is the European model, and we're looking at precipitation type. So let's see when the Euro model has ice setting up, if it does at all. Just going to advance this manually here. You're going to see this convergence happening here around Oklahoma. And we're going to see some ice there in southern Iowa and northern Missouri, according to the Euro model. And this is pretty close, so don't be surprised to see this be correct. So there's a huge band of ice forming there. Some kind of wintry mix. You could get significant ice accumulation. A little bit of snow, a little bit of rain forecasted there for Pennsylvania. And then ice moving all across New England. That pink line there is not what you want to see if you're planning on going out for a drive. One of the many features there of windy.com, precipitation type. Check it out. It's got a free mobile app, windy.com. We're not paid to say it, not yet. Perhaps that is a future endorsement for the channel. Next, we're on weather.gov. If your county is lit, click it. We've got red flag warnings there. Those pink areas. Anyway, weather.gov. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Quite a bit of lightning here in southern hemisphere region. Not so much in northern hemisphere winter. How about a real-time lightning map? It's from lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzortung.org. It's just spectacular. And if you're in a place where there is lightning striking, if you hear thunder, check it out. It's just great. It'll even show you the propagation of thunderclaps, allowing you to frighten the natives Or perhaps convince Vikings that you're Thor. This video was originally streamed live, thanks to our Twitch followers. And let me check the life of the stream here. Do we have any comments? Nope. Thanks to everybody who does leave comments on Twitch, twitch.tv/smashomash if you want to see the videos when they go live. Check them out. I'll bet you can go to a website since you're probably viewing this video on the internet. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. BitChute subscribers, if you could help us out, leave a comment, share the videos, tell your friends and foes about us, and go subscribe on YouTube. I understand the reasoning why you may not want to view videos on YouTube, but you're missing our space weather content, which is most of our content. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform and all the fraud and nonsense that is paid to the tune of millions of dollars per year. Thanks, YouTube subscribers. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Press that share button. Maybe become a member of the Smash Team if you prefer to see the videos continue to exist and remain publicly visible. There's a teaser as to what you get by being a gold or silver member. Smashomash.com/Smash Team. Next, the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. It gives us insight into what's coming from the west, which is where most weather comes from here on planet Earth. The jet stream blows that direction. It is the predominant factor in weather forcing. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest body of water and surface heat sink, and that's what's going on over it. Looks like some clear skies once again in Northern California, as that is dry, massive air. Next, looking at the radar.weather.gov map here. There is the all 50 states animated Doppler radar view. By the way, what Doppler radar does is it measures the vertical motion of water droplets, showing you the most likely places for precipitation. Pretty chill right now. No real major precipitation systems over the U.S. Let's take a look at the shortwave radiation map. Check out the low clouds over the Atlantic seaboard. Lots of low clouds there. And here is the water vapor map. Some evaporation here on the leeward side of the Rockies, caused by things like sudden pressure changes. Anyway, here's a recap. The U.S. Doppler radar for the lower 48. Next recap item, 3.9 nanometer radiation map, showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to use the visible satellite. And next, the water vapor, showing all the water vapor, even that which is not condensed onto clouds. Thanks for tuning in to our meteorology segment. I'll have been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network least busted name in news.